Hello there, welcome back. I'm going to do a video on a planter. I'll put a picture here of a planter I did previously, and I want to make another one basically. It's on my windowsill currently, and I want to make another one to put on another windowsill. So I thought I would do that. I was going to film this outside, but it's really windy, can't hear anything, there's lots of birds chirping. So I thought I would just do the quick intro here, and then I'll cut to me filming outside, but probably with no audio because you can't really hear anything. But I'll put some fun music over the top. It'd be great. Yes, so hopefully this helps. So it's all made from pallet wood and reclaimed wood. So I've broken up some pallets already. You'll see on my Instagram feed, Hove Woodwork, I've made a large planter quite recently. That's sitting in my garden and is looking good. But I had some pallet wood left over, so I thought I'd make another one for the windowsill. So hopefully, by the end of this video, you'll know how to make one yourself. It's very simple, anyone can do it. Just give it a go. Get some pallet wood, break it up. There's a couple of bits of batten as well, which is just like 2x1, which you can probably pick up from anywhere really. Yes, so here we go.